AI fabric inspection detects a defect and records its location. Problem solved, right? Not necessarily. Finding a defect is only the first step. What happens next? Does the spreading operator know its location? Can the cutting room see whether it will fall inside a garment piece? And can the factory respond before cutting? In this video, we explore how AI fabric inspection data can support better cutting room decisions. Factories often evaluate AI inspection based on speed, labor, and cost. But the better question is whether defect information can be recorded, traced, and used downstream. Most factories already understand that AI fabric inspection can detect defects and record their locations, types, and images in a digital defect map. But its real value begins after inspection, when that data moves into spreading and cutting to guide production decisions. In a connected workflow, the roll and its inspection record remain linked. During spreading, operators can access defect information and use it before cutting begins. For example, they can determine whether a defect falls between cutting pieces or within a critical component and respond when necessary. AI does not make every decision. It organizes the information and makes it available downstream, while people review the fabric, apply quality standards, and decide what action to take. Timing matters. During inspection, a defect is still a location on a roll. After cutting, it may affect several components. After sewing, it may require rework. At final quality control, it may even affect delivery. The earlier this information becomes available, the more options the factory has. Beyond individual cutting decisions, connected defect data could support higher-level planning, helping factories minimize the impact of defects, improve fabric utilization, and reduce waste. Ultimately, the value of AI fabric inspection lies not only in detecting defects, but in turning them into usable production data that supports better decisions at the right time. To learn more about connected fabric inspection and cutting room solutions, talk to OSHIMA.